Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to solve weekly contest 419 problems. So let's get started with the problem number 1. Find x sum of all k long subarrays 1. Okay, so we have to find the x sum of all k long subarrays. So in this problem you are given an array nums of n integers and two integers k and x. The x sum of an array is calculated by the following procedure. We have to count the occurrences of all the elements in the array. Okay, one thing. Keep only the occurrences of top x most frequent elements. Okay, if two elements have the same number of occurrences, the elements with the bigger value is considered more frequent. Okay, so let's say there is one array, and in that particular array one frequency is 5, 6 frequency is 4, and 3 frequency is also 4. Okay, so and let's say I have to find two most frequent elements. Okay, so now in this case one element is going to be this one because this is occurring 5 times, and the next element is going to be 6 because 6 value is larger than 3. Okay, 6 and 3 both are occurring 4 times, but out of these two we have to consider this 6. Okay, so we have to count the occurrences of all the elements in the array. Step number 1, keep only the occurrences of top x most frequent elements. If two elements have the same number of occurrences, the element with the bigger value is considered more frequent. Okay, and in the end we have to calculate the sum of the resulting array. Simple. Note that if an array has less than x distinct elements, its x sum is going to be the sum of the whole array. Okay, we have to return an integer array answer of length n minus k plus 1. Okay, so this is going to be the length of our resulting array, right? Where answer of I is the x sum of the subarrays. Okay, all these nums starting from I to I plus k minus 1 range. A subarray is a contiguous non-empty sequence of elements within an array, right? Okay, so I hope that you guys are clear with the problem statement. Okay, so now let's see this with the example here. So this is my nums array, right? So k is equal to 6. This simply means that a particular subarray size. Okay, contiguous subarray size. Okay, and x is equal to 2. That simply means that top two most frequent elements. Okay, so here I can start, let's say I can start from here. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 elements I have to consider first in first go, right? So 1 1 2 2 3 4. Okay, so this is what I'm considering in this subarray, right? 1 1 2 2 3 4. Okay, so now calculate the frequency of all the elements here in this. So 1 is occurring how many times? 2 is 2 times. 2 is occurring 2 times, and 3 is occurring 1 time, and 4 is occurring 1 time. So I have to consider top two now. So 1 and 2. So 1 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 is going to be the answer. Okay, so only these two elements I'm considering. So 1 into 2, and 2 is also 2 times. 2 into 2. So what is the output I'm going to get here? Total 6. Okay, so that is why sum here is 6. So that is why I'm storing 6 here. Okay, now after that check for this particular subarray. Okay, starting from this 1 1 1 1 2 2 3 4 2. Okay, this subarray. Okay, 1 2 2 3 4 2. Okay, so here you can also use sliding window approach, but in today's this video I'm not going to use sliding window. Okay, I'm going to simply get the answer because constant size is very small. Okay, so here let's consider this subarray of size k, right? So here 1 2 2 3 4 2. So here just calculate the frequency of all the elements. 1 is occurring here, 1 is occurring 1 time, 2 is occurring 3 times, and 3 is occurring 1 time, and 4 is occurring 1 time. Okay, so I have to consider this 2 because 2 is occurring most number of times. Okay, so 2 into 3 plus, out of 1 3 and 4 I have to consider 4 because 4 value is greater, and all these have equal frequency, right? So let's consider 4 only. 1 into 4. So 2 into 3 is 6. 6 plus 4 is 10. Okay, so that is why you are seeing the output as 10 here. Okay, note that 4 is kept in the array since it is bigger than 3 and 1, which occur the same number of times. Then let's take this subarray now. 2 2 3 423. Okay, size it's fixed, say k, right? So now in this, just calculate the elements. 2 is occurring 3 times, 3 is occurring 2 times, and 4 is occurring just one time, right? So 2 into 3 is 6, 6 plus 3 into 2 is 6, so 6 6 12. Okay, so that is why 12 is output. Okay, so I hope that you guys are clear with this example number 1, right? This is what I am doing. And now here in my example number 2, nums is like this: 387875. Okay, k is equal to 2, so 2 to subarray. Okay, and x is 2. So first let's take this. So 3 frequency is 1 and 8 frequency is 1. We have to consider all the elements: 3 8 11, then 8 7 15. 2 elements we have to consider always, right? 7 8 15, 8 7 15, 7 5 12. Okay, that's simple. Okay, no need to check because we are considering only 2 elements, and definitely these 2 elements will have the same frequency. Okay, okay, that's it. So since k is equal to x, answer of I is equal to the sum of the subarray. That's it. Okay, constant size is very small, right? So now let's see how we are going to solve this problem, but I hope that you guys are clear. So you can use the simply this approach only. Okay, so what you have to do, you have to first copy the particular subarray, okay, of the fixed size k. Then after that, after copying this, you have to calculate the frequency of all the elements. After calculating the frequencies, pick top two. Okay, and if any elements have the same frequency, just pick the key with the larger value. That's it. Okay, and then just store that particular answer in one list. Okay, that's it. Okay, this is going to be our approach. Okay, so now I'm going to share the code. So if you guys want, you can just solve it first and pause this video, but let's move to the coding part. Okay, so here this is my Java code and this solution is accepted. Okay, so here what I'm doing, so first I'm just calculating the length of my nums array. Then I'm creating this result which is consisting of list of integers. Okay, this is going to be my result. All right, then I'm iterating over how many values answer I need. I need this many values, right? And minus k plus 1. So here this is given now. So you need return an integer array answer of length and minus k plus 1. So definitely this is going to be my size. Okay, so I is equal to 0, I is less than, and minus k plus 1, I plus plus. So I'm just copying that particular sub array, okay, of fixed size k. I'm copying that. Then in that sub array, I have to calculate the frequency of all the elements. So for that, I'm creating one map consisting of key value pairs, integer and integer, and then I'm iterating over all the numbers in this particular sub array, and I'm calculating the frequencies. Okay, simple way. I'm calculating the frequency of all the elements. Then after that, I'm converting this frequency map to a list. Okay, list of integer array frequency list. Okay, because I have to sort them later on. Okay, so here I'm just iterating over my map values one by one, and I am adding all these things in my list. Okay, list is consisting of keys and values. Okay, so here after that, for this specific purpose, I am using this creating the list first. Okay, of integer array frequency list, array list, right? So here I'm sorting them. Okay, so how I'm sorting? So I'm sorting what? I'm sorting frequency list. So let's say I have two key value pairs, okay, A and B. So first I am just checking here if their value is same. Okay, if their value is same, then we have to sort them in decreasing order of their keys. Okay, otherwise we have to consider the values. Okay, if the values are large. Okay, so this is how I'm sorting. Okay, then once I have sorted all this, then here it they create one variable x sum is equal to 0. Then iterate, okay, over all the elements. Okay, j is equal to 0, j is less than math dot min of x or this frequency list dot size. Okay, whatever minimum we have to take that and iterate over all the elements, right? Okay, so now I have to just calculate the x sum. Okay, so simply frequency list dot get j of 0 into this one. Okay, so this is what this is, this step now, 2 into 3. Okay, that's what I need to do here. Okay, then I have to add that into my result. Okay, so this is done. All right, then after that, once this is done, okay, so here we have to create one answer array. Okay, and I'm just converting my list to a answer array, and in the end I'm just returning answer, right? Okay, so that's it. Okay, So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's videos. And here you guys may have question why I'm considering this math dot mean x frequency this dot site. Okay, so see this now, k is equal to x. Since answer of I is equal to the sum of the sub array, right? So we have to just consider all the elements, right? And in some cases here there is one line, I think, this line, if an array has less than x distinct elements, then its sum is the sum of the sub array. That's what. Okay, so that's the reason. So I hope that you guys are able to understand today's tutorial. If you guys still have any doubts, then please feel free to ask in comment section. Till then, keep coding and keep practicing, and don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends, and please subscribe to my YouTube channel for solutions of question number 2. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.